Okay, so the first step is to make a geometry, and I will use space claim. And so I just open the space claim from start menu, and first thing is that for 2D case, the fluid requires that the mesh should be along the XY plane. It should be on the XY plane. It should be on the XY plane. So I'm going to use a sketch mode. So change the plane from this plane to XY. So choose Z axis and it will choose the XY plane automatically. And then click on Z axis like this. And click on circle option and choose the origin point of the plane. So, but before that, you have to go to File menu and Space Claim options. The default units in Space Claim are millimeters. So we have to change them from units to meters. Okay. So the units we are going to set is the 1 meter. So type it from keyboard and then press enter key. That's all. Now the next thing is that we are going to make another surface. So first go to the 3D mode again. So I'm going to again make another sketch. So 20D is upstream. 20D upstream means 20 times D is a 1. So 20 meters upstream. This is from center of circle. And then 20 times downstream. This is 40. And it is 40D across. So that is a 20D on the upside and 20D on the bottom side. So 20 will be equal to 20D will be equal to 20. So I will just move it and hover on the end point of this line. So this will give you the idea that where this line should be ending. So this is all we have to do. And now you have to delete these lines because these lines were used as a construction lines. Now we don't require them. So now the next thing is that we have to make the mirror and uncheck these options, merge mirror objects and create mirror relationship. Don't use these options. And first thing is that you have to choose the mirror plane. In 2D, this is going to be the axis, x-axis. And choose the geometry you want to mirror. This is this line here. That's all we have to do this thing. And now join this line with the one straight line, one vertical line. And similarly on the downstream side, we do the same thing. Okay. So we have two surfaces. Now I'm going to subtract the circle, the cylinder, 2D cylinder from this outer body. So we are going to basically cut that body so that we can only have the body outside periphery from where the flow can be flowing over the body, over the circular cylinder, and not inside. We don't require the geometry to be from inside. So use the combine, choose the first surface and then choose second surface. So now just take a look. So we have this surface hollow from inside. So delete them 2 times. So we get this circle's hollow from inside. So now we have the control volume where we are going to apply the free stream conditions and the flow will be flowing over the circular boundary. Okay. And the last thing we have to do is to provide the boundary conditions. So inlet, so select the edge and click on name selections. This is the inlet. Press enter key. And this is the outlet. And this one is the top. And this will be defined as a symmetry. And the bottom one is the bottom. Very simple. Okay, and then inside body is the circular cylinder. Okay, so I'm going to save these files in the working directory. And the working directory is, let's set them in the E. So this is going to be the cylinder CFD at RE150. Okay, this is the geometry file. So in this way, we made the geometry and also we provided the boundary conditions in space claim for circular cylinder with the required dimensions like the 1 meter diameter and 20 times boundary upstream and 40 times downstream, and across is the 40 times.